How to fix display adapter status errors in Windows. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix display adapter status errors in Windows. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Open Device Manager. For that you have to go to the search box at bottom left corner and type in Device Manager and open it. After that, you have to show the hidden devices. For that, go to view at top right corner and now select show hidden devices. Now, the next step you need to follow is simply you have to uninstall the display adapters. You have to search for display adapters and double click on it to expand it. Now right click on its device and then select uninstall button. Next, you have to go to system devices. So you can simply search for the system devices at bottom of the screen and then expand this as well. And here you need to search for ADI PCI drivers or other related drivers if present. And after uninstalling these drivers, you have to restart your computer. So after following this step, your issues should be resolved. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.